Oh yeah, okay, so it's a beautiful day. It's Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening on June 22nd. I don't know, something like maybe 6 or 6:30 p.m. It's a beautiful day, but it's not a beautiful day if you've got this thing down here for 48 hours. So I'm gonna do something here. This is the 211 unit, and just FYI, it has been on 24/7, has not stopped since Friday afternoon, the 20th. So that puts us at pretty much the 48-hour mark that this thing just is non-stop, and it's still vibrating. Maybe not as much as before, but the machine is definitely vibrating, the floor vibrating, and as a result, half my apartment is vibrating non-stop day and night. If we put our hands here, we can definitely feel a lot of vibration for sure. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing is just rocking and rolling. We really feel the vibrations down here on my feet, on the floor. It doesn't look like it's iced over this time, but man. Now, and there's water everywhere. And I mean, look, I'm not an AC tech, but this right here, I don't get that. There's water everywhere, all over the floor. This is my unit. It's brand new. It's on right now. It's humming along, but I mean, it's just silent as a mouse. Okay, so I mean, no complaints with that. But this one, holy moly. And this is just all broken and leaking. Like, what is this? I mean, look, I don't know. That just doesn't seem right, but it's leaking all over the place. It looks like it's just water. So I'm not really sure how that's supposed to work. Anyway, this thing is keeping us up, my kids up, all night. It's tough. God bless you.